Hey everyone. In this video, I want to cover one interesting package that is known as DeepFace. What it will do is, you know, see, let's say you have an image, you want to get the characteristics like gender, age range, and all those things. There are two ways to do. One is you can use some multimodal LLM or like multimodal. You can just pass the image and get the data. So here, one trick is like there is one package available known as DeepFace, and using that package, uh, you don't need to call any LLM. You can pass the image, and based on that, it will give you the that person's identity, whether it's a person is age and region, all those things it will give, like the person age, range, and emotions, his or her emotion. All these things it can give. Like let's say this is one of the image you uploaded this image. Based on that, it can identify what is this person expected age range and emotion and gender and race, that person belongs to which region, like all these kind of information it can give. So, and also it can do the verification, like let's say you have one image and image 1 and image 2, you can pass that image and you can ask, I mean, you can do the verification like both the images are same, both these belongs to same person or not. So in that way also it can do some cosine similarity metrics. Like cosine is like not only for so doing the um, not only for this text metrics, but it can do for this image also. That is also can be possible with this help of this deep face, right? So this is the advantage of this deep face. Like why I'm trying to, and also you can call these few models also, right? So my intent here is like I thought to do some experiment. I need this thing, so this package I'm going to use. So that's why I'm covering this. Okay, so you can do the emotion, age, gender, race. I'm trying to do one interesting problem, which I'll let you know. I mean, which I'll do mm, shortly. So I'll let you know. So that's why I want to cover this topic right now. So majorly point here is like without using LLM, without using any multimodal also, you can do some person analysis with the help of this deep base. That's the conclusion. Okay, so we'll see the things in our next tutorials. Till then, take care, enjoy.